Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make white sauce ramen. Start by gathering ingredients and prepping aromatics while water heats for the noodles. Make a quick roux with butter and flour, then whisk in milk until silky. Stir in garlic and parmesan, season to taste, and fold cooked ramen noodles into the sauce. Top with veggies or protein, garnish, and serve warm for a comforting, creamy bowl. Create the white sauce by melting butter and toasting flour to a light golden color so the roux tastes nutty. Slowly whisk in warm milk a little at a time to avoid lumps and build a silky consistency. Add grated parmesan and minced garlic, then simmer briefly until the sauce thickens and flavors meld. Season carefully with salt and pepper, tasting as you go for a balanced, savory creaminess. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and kitchen tips. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for staying hydrated while you cook or slurp noodles, and it fits easily in a bag for on the go. I use it between tasting bites to keep things fresh. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Cook the ramen noodles until just shy of al dente so they finish perfectly in the sauce without turning mushy. Reserve a little noodle water in case you need to thin the sauce for the right coating. Gently fold the drained noodles into the white sauce until evenly coated, then plate and add your chosen toppings like vegetables, seared chicken, or herbs. Finish with a sprinkle of cheese and enjoy right away.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.